Hello everyone, this is Shanu Bhatia from Gossip Funda. Today I am going to make a video on the topic portable Wi-Fi router. Let's start with the introduction. Have you ever dreamed of using a portable Wi-Fi router connection? Using mobile data all the time is extremely expensive. The average price of a GB of mobile data is $8. Moreover, mobile data is just on your phone. You can't use it on your laptop or Wi-Fi enabled tablet. Using a hotspot consumes a crazy amount of battery, which then requires you to carry a battery pack with you. Portable Wi-Fi router. What you can do using one is endless. Picture this scenario with me. You are sitting on some beach in Goa. You need access to the internet because your boss needs a file from you urgently. Just turn on your portable Wi-Fi router, connect your laptop to it and send it immediately. Your boss is impressed and you are satisfied too. How great does that sound? These devices come with SIM card slots instead of cable slots. Remember how we went from a wired telephone to your mobiles? Yeah, this is what it is. It replaces your Ethernet cable with a SIM card, especially for Wi-Fi routers. Let's start with the advantages. Price. One of the main advantage has to be the price. Portable Wi-Fi devices are little expensive, but the prices they offer per GB are much less than that of mobile data. Portability. The idea of carrying around a Wi-Fi network in your backspace seems amazing. These things weigh under a pound and are the size of small box, which makes them easy to carry around in your backpack or a sling bag. It is convenient to use as all you have to do is turn it on and it goes on for hours. The best thing is you can connect multiple devices to it simultaneously and have super fast internet on the go for all those devices. Connect it to your laptop, phone, iPad, iPod, etc. Security. Traveling anywhere in the world or even in your own country, there is always the uncertainty of safety over wireless networks. The chances of getting hacked by hackers or getting your information stolen through the Wi-Fi network is possible. You want to remain safe from these kinds of attacks. These networks are usually unsecured. It becomes easy for a person with malicious intent to eavesdrop on you through these internet connections. Fourth, use it at home too. Internet down? No problem. You have your own Wi-Fi network right in your backpack. Turn it on and you're back in the game. Did you enter? Did you know California has nearly 500 blackouts a year? Between 2008 and 2017, it had experienced nearly 4,300 power outages. Now that may be a problem. It takes to resolve. But until then, you have got your handy Wi-Fi router to power up your internet needs even when the power is not there. Options. There are Skyrim Solix X and Lite. The only difference between the Lite does not offer 8 megapixel camera, speaker, microphone, Bluetooth and the smart assistant. I think mobile Wi-Fi is something everyone should own even if they are frequent travelers. It is an excellent device for everyday use, but it in your car, in a cafe or in a mall, anywhere. The pros easily outweigh the price of portable Wi-Fi router. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please like, subscribe and share my channel. And don't forget to write your valuable comment in the comment box. Thank you everyone.